She's leaving my house today! Go back to the village where she came from! You come here, I'm talking to you and you're walking out on me, it's a black lily.
What has she done to you that you cannot even let her be for once?
I don't want her around. Let her leave my compound and go back to her mother's house. Ona collect 20,000 like the only policeman on the highway. What are you people talking about? She's not spending a night here. She's leaving now, else I will leave.
You are not leaving. She's not leaving. I know we have wronged you, but please.
If there's anyone that should leave this house, it should be you. Are you talking to me? I thought it was different from you, but now I know, like father, like son. From your belly to down, no control. Once you see a woman, everywhere is shaking.
Whatever she's saying, she's a liar. She's evil. Why are you doing this to me?
Why am I doing what?
Why are you doing this to me?
Why am I doing what?
That the culture and tradition does not forbid that.
That was then, not now. Nobody does that anymore. Where do you think you're going to? Where do you think you're coming to? If you want to say anything you want to say, continue saying it with your mouth. But if your heart ever touches me, I can just say that. In short, I wish she's dead. I wish she had died.
No.
No, it's not that thing because she killed my son.
If anything happens to my beautiful daughter, I will hold you and your family responsible for that.
Your beautiful daughter? Also, give me the beautiful. Mother the beautiful, my name is
Please.
Did you just
What's going on?
Chris!
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.